I usually use a wired keyboard and mouse combination when I'm gaming because nothing will beat a wired connection for precision and accuracy. However, I was sick of so many cables on my desk, and lately I have been feeling the urge to be more productive and creative and do a lot less gaming. Therefore, I put away the wired keyboard and mouse and decided to give this Logitech MK470 a try. If you're looking for a wireless, sleek, compact, affordable, with a number pad, you're in the right place. The Logitech MK470 is very affordable at $39.99, and on today's video I want to give you some footage of the keyboard and mouse and give you my impressions on it. The keyboard has a permanent raised bump on the rear and it gives you the best level when typing. I like this because I hate raising the little tabs that most keyboards bring, and it also makes the keyboard a little sturdier. If you are looking at the keyboard from the rear side, the portion where the keys are, it's thinner, but it does feel and look very nice. When typing, the keyboard is very quiet and you will not disturb anyone that you share the room with. This is very important because I share the room with other people and we don't like to drive each other crazy. The mechanical keyboard I was using before was on the quiet side when you compare it to other mechanical keyboards, but it was still loud and annoyed me to the point where I was avoiding my computer just so I could avoid typing. And this was hurting me because I do a lot of writing and it was making me do less scripts for my videos, less emails, less communication, less productivity. And with this Logitech, it's a compact little beauty. You'll be able to write for hours with no fatigue, and you will have the much needed number pad, while you still maintain a small form factor, but best of all, no annoying cables. The mouse is very small and sleek. I didn't like the feel of it at the beginning, but after using it for a few hours, I quickly adapted to it and ended up liking it. If you have very large hands, this mouse is probably not for you, but for small to medium hands, it will be a very good size. It's compact to travel, but since it's made out of plastic, with an easy to remove cover, I would advise against it, or at least you have to be very careful because I feel like if you drop it just one time, it's going to shatter. I hope you enjoyed this quick overview on this Logitech keyboard and mouse combination. And if you liked the video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech content. Until next time, Ultra Tech out.